Today, we witness a clash of titans on the tarmac. Can the surgical precision of a naturally aspirated engine outrun the raw force of twin-turbo induction? In one corner, the Maserati MC20, a modern masterpiece featuring a 630-horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine. It's built for one thing: explosive straight-line speed. Notice the heat haze rising from that Italian power plant. In the other corner, the legendary Porsche 911 GT3 RS, 520 horsepower from a high-revving 4-liter flat 6. This car isn't just about power. It's about aero downforce and an unbreakable connection between driver and machine. The engines are humming. The drivers are ready. It's time for the first drag race of the day.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, hello. Woo! Oh, more power. Oh, turbo power. It's like dropping in. I have no chance in this race because a parachute is attached to the back of my car.
Both cars launch hard, but look at the Porsche's immediate grip. The GT3 RS holds its lead for the first 100 feet, but wait, the Maserati's turbos have finally spooled up. The MC20 surges forward with incredible torque, crossing the line a full car length ahead. A clear win for turbo power. Race 2. The Porsche driver is looking for redemption. Can the naturally aspirated engine claw back a victory? A better launch this time. The Porsche screams to 9,000 RPM, holding that lead through the mid-range. But once that boost kicks in, the Maserati is a monster. It storms back, snatching the lead at the very last second. The tension is rising. The drivers are swapping seats to see if the human element can change the outcome. Race 3 is crucial. The Porsche gets a perfect start with unbelievable traction. Digging into the tarmac, the Maserati is fighting to close the gap. The Porsche is relentless. It holds on. Porsche takes the round.
Where's this Maserati? Ha!
Now for something different. A rolling race from 50 miles per hour. This eliminates the launch advantage. The Porsche responds instantly, but as soon as those turbos spool, the Maserati simply disappears into the distance.
That's turbos. Sounds good.
Well, at least it sounds nice in here. Oh, God, it's bumpy.
I've absolutely destroyed that Porsche. Stay with
Final
me for
test,
this
the brake test, stopping from high speed. This is where engineering and balance truly shine. Look at that stability. The Porsche stops in a significantly shorter distance, showcasing its incredible track-tuned hardware. The Maserati wins on raw power and torque, but the Porsche dominates in control, launch, and stopping power. Two incredible machines, two very different souls, one for the drag strip, one for the circuit. So, the big question remains, which one would you choose? The Turbo Surge or the Anna Scream? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more performance battles. See you next time.